Good afternoon, students. Myself, Dr.Anuradha here. Today we shall discuss the remaining part of Practical 106A. You have already know the content analysis of the unit and making of the teaching aid. We shall discuss now the preparation of blueprint, unit test and answer key. How to prepare the unit test and what is the meaning of blueprint. Blueprint is the important things as you are going to prepare the unit test of your subject. An assessment blueprint or table of specifications is a detailed plan mapping test item to learning objectives, content areas and cognitive levels like Bloom's taxonomy to ensure an assessment is valid, reliable and truly measures what intended. Means with the help of the blueprint you will get the idea that which content you have taken, which type of questions you have included in the test. Now we shall see the key components of a blueprint: learning objectives, public standards, what students should know or be able to do. When we taught any content to our student, then learning objectives are very important. As you are taking the test of your student and preparation of the test, what are the learning objectives? Second thing is content areas, means specific topics or skills within the subject, on which areas or on which content you are going to prepare the test. Third one is cognitive levels, the depth of thinking required. For example, recall, application, analysis, how the student will get the knowledge, how he will explain any concept and how he will analyze that topic. Then weightage, percentage of marks or number of questions for each objective or topic. How much weightage is given topic wise, that you have to write here. Then how much questions are included, whether they are objective type question, short answer type question and long answer type question. Question types are also given here: format of questions, multiple choice, short answer type and essay type question. You have to prepare that test, and for that such type of questions are required. Now why use a blueprint? Why you are going to use a blueprint and what is the importance of this blueprint to the teacher, to the student? First is enhances the validity, means it ensures the test measures the intended skill, not just for memorization. Second, ensures coverage, prevents focusing too much on certain topics or neglecting others. Third one is promotes alignments, means it connects teaching, curriculum and assessment. In blueprint, content, curriculum, assessment, these things are also important. Fourth one is the increases fairness, means it standardizes difficulty across the different test versions. It guides the development, means it helps the item writers to create the varied but equivalent questions. While the construction of the question, it will be useful for a teacher. Provides the transparency, means it shows student what expect and it focus on that, means which type of questions are expected. How the weightage is given, weightage to objectives. Now which are the objectives? Objectives are knowledge and comprehension, application, skill. When you are going to prepare a test, then how much marks are given for the questions, how much questions are based on the knowledge and comprehension. That marks are given there, 12 marks, percentage 16. This is one sample is given in this slide. How much questions are based on the application level and how much marks are given. For application level 4 marks, for skill level 4 marks, means total 20. 20 marks weightage is given for the test. Now weightage to different forms of questions. How much weightage is given to the different types of questions? 3 types of questions are included in the test. One is objective type question, 5 questions, 5 marks. Short answer type questions, 5 marks. Essay type questions are 5 and it carries the 10 marks. Total it carries 20 marks. In this question paper, all type of questions are included. This is the structure of the questions which are included. Now we can see the nature of the question paper. Section A, multiple choice of question. It carries 5 marks. This is just one sample given in this slide. First question, which gas do plants primarily use for photosynthesis? And choice, multiple choice are given for it. Second, the hardest natural substance on earth is. You have to choose the proper answer. Such 5 questions. Third one is, what is the force that pulls object toward the earth core? Fourth question, which planet is known as the red planet? Fifth, how many bones are in the adult human body? Now these are the multiple type choice questions. You have to choose one correct answer from it and it carries the 5 marks. Section B, short answer questions. Each question carries 1 mark, total 5 marks. What does DNA stands for? Second, name the process plants use to make their own food. Third one is, what is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Fourth, who discovered the concept of gravity? Fifth question, what is the main gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Short answer questions, they carries the 5 marks. Section C, short answer questions, 5 into 2, 10 marks. First is, define the term photosynthesis. Second, give 2 differences between a plant cell and animal cell. Third, write the function of human heart. Fourth, write down the chemical formula for water and common salt. Fifth, briefly describe use of Newton's first law of motion. Such 5 questions are included in the section C. Now you have to prepare also the answer key. In this answer key, the answers of question section A, section B and section C are given. You have to also prepare one question paper of your subject and you have to prepare the answer key of that question paper. Now this is also the format of blueprint in which the name of topic, knowledge and comprehension based questions, application based questions, skill based questions and how much weightage is given to each is given in this chart. Topic name photosynthesis. There is one question based on the photosynthesis and it carries the 2 marks. Plant cell, one short question and it carries the 2 marks. Newton's law, 4 question, it carries the 4 marks and based on the knowledge and comprehension. Also there are short question based on application, it carries 1 marks. One is long question, it carries the 2 marks. human organ. Knowledge and comprehension based one question objective carries 1 marks. Short answer question 1 carries 1 marks. Long answer question is 1, it carries the 2 marks. Similarly, on this topic, the short answer question is of R2 and carries the 2 marks. It is based on the skill. Chemical formula. One question is based on the skill and it carries the 2 marks. Earth's atmosphere. One short question is based on the application. It carries 1 marks. Now the distribution of marks is also given in the columns and rows also. That is, there are 50 questions and they carries the 20 marks. Such type of blueprint you have to prepare. Where O is the objective type question, L is the long answer type question, S is the short answer type of question. In bracket, questions are given and outside the bracket, it indicates the marks given to the question. In this way, you have to prepare